Chapter 13 Basic Science. Write T for true if the statement is correct and F for false if the statement is incorrect. Let me answer. How many planets are there in our solar system? Number 1. The Earth has a flat shape. False. 2. Herbivores are animals that eat plants. True. 3. Planets that are far from the sun are cold. True. 4. Clouds are made of water vapor. True. 5. The high land is known as the plain. False. 6. A gas does not have its own shape. True. 7. Whales are fish. False. 8. Tortoises are aquatic animals. False. 9. Rose is a shrub. True. 10. Pluto is a dwarf planet. True. 11. Pigeon is a bird of prey. False. 12. In humans, the average normal body temperature is generally accepted as 98.6 degree Fahrenheit, which is 37 degrees Celsius. True. Teacher's note: guide students to understand basic scientific concepts. Teacher can ask other questions to supplement students' science knowledge.